Chasing sun from long ago. Wind still sings a faded song. Or maybe I just miss you wrong. Where's the light to warm my day? Where's the smile I threw away? Left with dreams I never said, blooming quiet in my head. They said youth would never die, but it slipped like clouds gone by. Words we hid, they never stayed. Now they haunt the songs I play. Where's the light to warm my day? Where's the smile I threw away? Left with dreams I never said, blooming quiet in my head. Back when the skies were white and blue, the day we met still lingers clear. Two hearts that trembled holding me. Will we ever drift through rain, side by side, chasing echoes where our footsteps hide? These quiet eyes, they still remain. Will our first day feel the same again? If all regrets could fade and fall, maybe now we'd have it all. Our love a ghost in crowded space, so many meetings left no trace. Will we ever drift through rain, side by side, chasing echoes where our footsteps footsteps hide. These quiet eyes, they still remain. Will our first day feel the same again? If memories return tonight, your eyes would fill my soul with light. The day we met, a fleeting chance, like autumn waiting, winter's dance. I lived in gray before your name, like silent films that look the same. The pain we passed, the tears we cried, led us to roads where hearts divide. If all regrets could fade and fall, maybe now we'd have it all. Our love a ghost in crowded space, so many meetings left no trace. If memories return tonight, I'll still be moved by your soft eyes. The day we met, a fleeting chance, like autumn waiting, winter's dance.